All right, moving on to another good story. Let's take a look at shares of Zillow here, closing down. We're looking at about 7% there on the day. The company and other real estate stocks sliding. That's after a Missouri jury found the National Association of Realtors and other industry players guilty of colluding to maintain high brokerage commissions, Julie. And this one, not just Zillow, by the way. Other names to look at here. It looks like it took down Compass and Redfin, among others. So a few different names got tagged here in the after hours.
Yeah, even though these are not companies that were named in the lawsuit.
Right.
This is a lawsuit, by the way, that Emily Peck of Axios came on recently to talk to us about. Basically what it is here, when you buy a piece of property, when you buy a home, you pay broker's fees if you are selling the home. And then basically the buyer and seller's broker splits the fees, but it's not a transparent system. At least that's what this lawsuit was alleging. And now it looks like this lawsuit has been successful. So that is what happens now. So what happens after this is kind of confusing. We don't know yet, in other words, what the effect of this decision will be. Now, the National Association of Realtors says bad stuff will happen, that it's going to be harder to buy a home. It's unclear if that is exactly what the effect is going to be, but the jury has awarded almost $1.8 billion in damages in the case. There's already another lawsuit also that's outstanding that's even bigger. So we'll see if that goes in the same direction.
Yeah, we should know the National Association of Realtors is apparently saying that the group does plan to appeal. They argue this is going to take years to resolve, as these things often do. So we do have this headline, but it looks like this could be a story that's long in the making here. And they also apparently are going to ask the court to reduce the damages awarded by the jury. So a big headline here, but it looks like this fight could go on for a while.
Yeah, and we'll start to get, I'm sure, some analyst commentary tomorrow about what effect this could have on many of these companies. I'm not certain how much brokerage fees accounts for how much they make. So I guess we'll be digging into this more.
We shall see.